Okay, Alex Riggs, thanks for watching this. It's me, Nick, Golf Progress. 2011 spring. It's right now middle of February. Now last February at this time I started a program. It was a 4-month program. It was put together by Eric Cressy. He's a strength and conditioning guy from Boston. It's called Show and Go. I was kind of a guinea pig on his program. I think you saw that deadlift video I made, and I added 100 pounds to my deadlift between February 15th and June 15th. I didn't really do his whole program. I was focused on the deadlift. I neglected my squatting because, like we all do, when there's something we're not that good at, we kind of neglect it. So this year I'm focused in on front squatting. That's my #1 priority for making progress in a lift. And so I'm going to do my initial test. I'm going to go into the gym right now, record that. That'd be great if you could take a look at my squatting technique. If there's any tips you can give me for working on my hips. Alex Riggs, thanks for watching this, and hopefully have a good spring here with the front squat. I'll keep you updated on that. Peace.